Here is a numerical example based on this. A motor car covers 1/3 of the total distance with a velocity of 10 km per hour, the second 1/3 with a velocity of 20 km per hour, and the remaining 1/3 with a velocity of 60 km per hour. What is the average speed of the car? Let us show the construction here. This is the journey and this is divided into 3 equal parts. 1/3 of the total distance, this is S1, this is S2, this is S3, and they are all equal to each other. And the first part is covered with a speed 10 km per hour. The second part is covered with a speed 20 km per hour, and the third part is covered with a speed 60 km per hour. Now, you may wish to recall that if you consider average speed over 3 equal distance intervals, what is the formula? Average speed is given by 3 V1, V2, V3 divided by V1 V2 plus V2 V3 plus V3 V1. Let us substitute for these details here. 3 V1 V2 V3, 3 into 10 into 20 into 60. V1 V2, 10 into 20 plus V2 V3, 20 into 60 plus 60 into 10. Let us simplify it further. So, this is going to be 3600, this is 20 into 3, 60, 60 into 60 is 3600, and I have another 10, and this is 200 plus 1200 plus 600, that is 36000, and then we have 1200 plus 600 is 1800 plus 200, that is 2000. So, if you simplify it further, what is it you get? You get it as 36 divided by 2. So, this set of 0 cancels with this set of 0. So, we have 18 km per hour. This is the average speed over the entire journey.